Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our problem-solving kit. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Picture it as an activity in which we are going to roll a dice to get the value of an object. Now know that I accidentally made an error on this, and I put two of the same object together, meaning that when you roll a number like 8, that means this is a 4 and this is a 4. But if you roll 7, obviously you would not have two numbers equaling the same amount. So it works for even numbers but not for odd numbers. My error. So if you can, just cross off, do something that just cross off that. So now you just have the one car equaling the amount rolled. So they'll roll a 10-sided dice and get the amount that was rolled. So in this case, let's say they rolled an 8. So this car is worth 8. So if I have the car and the bus, if this is worth 8, and the bus, what is that worth if this is equal to 10? This would be worth 2. So now that we have that, I know this is 8. I know this is 2. So this has to be 5. And that seems pretty obvious because you know this is going to be 10, so that's always going to be 5. And then when I come down here, it's going to be 5 plus 5 plus that 8 plus another 8 and then that 2. So the students will add all those numbers together, which will give them 28. And they'll write that down. So it's just trying to figure out what the value is. So they can erase this board, roll the dice again, and start over with a new number. Now some of them are into the hundreds, so you'll get rid of this 10-sided dice and replace it with a tens dice, so you have 0 to 90 on here. So the value of this one car would be whatever you rolled. Now this one, you can have two cars on it, so you can roll a 70 and they have to figure out what the value of each car would be, which would be 35. So they're going to use higher numbers on this one. So we do want two cars on the ones where we're dealing with higher numbers. And this would end up being 100 and this would end up being 150. And so they would figure out that this is 35. Then they have to figure out the value of the bus and then use that and go through the same process again with using larger numbers up to into the hundreds. So enjoy this activity. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.